Welcome back to Road Warrior. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and iconic tractors ever built, the mighty Big Bud 16V747. Whether you're a hardcore machinery fan or just someone who loves the sight of raw mechanical power tearing up the fields, this beast is sure to grab your attention. So, buckle up as we explore the machine that earned the title of the world's largest farm tractor. Let's start with the origin story. The Big Bud 16V747 was built in 1977 by Northern Manufacturing Company in Havre, Montana. This wasn't just a project to build a large tractor, it was a mission to build the largest tractor in existence. The result? A machine that still holds that title over 45 years later. It was custom built for the Rossi brothers in California, who needed a powerful workhorse for deep ripping on their massive cotton farm. The soil was tough, the work was demanding, and nothing on the market could handle it, until Big Bud came along. Now let's talk size, and believe me, the numbers here are mind-blowing. The Big Bud 747 stands 14 feet tall, is 20 feet wide, and measures over 27 feet long. Fully loaded with ballast, this monster weighs nearly 100,000 pounds. That's 50 tons of raw American steel working the land. It's so big that it's almost hard to compare it to modern tractors. Most of today's machines look like toys next to the 747. At the heart of this giant is its engine, the Detroit Diesel 16V92T, a V16 powerhouse that produces a jaw-dropping 1,100 horsepower. That's right, over 1,000 horses pulling the plow. It was originally rated for 760 horsepower, but after some modifications, the Big Bud team pushed it way beyond that. And the torque? A monstrous 2,500 Newton-meters, enough to haul the biggest implements across the toughest terrain. With a 16-cylinder turbocharged engine and a 1,000-gallon fuel tank, this tractor was built not just for power, but for endurance. The transmission is just as heavy-duty. It's an Allison 4-speed automatic, backed by a custom-built rear end designed to handle massive loads. The Big Bud uses a gear reduction system and final drives that were actually sourced from mining equipment. That gives you an idea of just how industrial this tractor really is. Everything about it screams overbuilt, from the steel frame to the axles. It's more than a tractor, it's a moving fortress. Big Bud was originally created to handle some of the largest farming tools ever designed. One of its most iconic pairings is with the FlexiCoil 80-foot chisel plow, a piece of equipment that requires every bit of the tractor's power to operate effectively. With this setup, Big Bud can plow over 1 acre per minute. That's serious efficiency when you're working fields that stretch for miles. The cabin of the 747 is surprisingly comfortable for a machine this industrial. It's fitted with an air suspension seat, basic gauges, and large windows for full visibility. There's nothing overly fancy here, but everything is functional and spacious. Considering it was built in the late 70s, the ergonomics and visibility are impressive. Operators have said it feels more like being in the cockpit of an aircraft than a regular tractor. What makes the Big Bud 747 even more fascinating is that it's a one-of-a-kind machine. Only one was ever built, making it not just a tractor but a piece of history. In 2009, the Williams brothers from Montana purchased it and brought it back to the state where it was built. Since then, it's been used on their farm and also displayed at various events, including the Heartland Acres Agribition Center in Iowa. In 2020, Big Equipment Company, the company now linked with the Big Bud legacy, began restoring the 747. The restoration included updating the hydraulic systems, repainting the body, and restoring the original Detroit diesel engine. Fans around the world were thrilled to see this mechanical legend brought back to working condition. Now, if you're wondering how much it would cost to own something like the Big Bud 16V747, here's the reality. This machine is practically priceless. But for a rough idea, when it was originally built in 1977, it cost around $300,000. That's the equivalent of over $1.4 million today after adjusting for inflation. If someone were to replicate the 747 with today's components and technology, you'd be looking at a cost that easily exceeds $1.5 million. However, since it's a one-off piece of farming history, its value on the collector market could be even higher. Some estimates go beyond $3 million US. The Big Bud isn't just about size and power, it's about a philosophy of over-engineering and practicality. Unlike modern tractors that are packed with electronics and sensors, the 747 is mostly mechanical. That makes it easier to repair, more durable in the long run, and highly appealing to those who value simplicity in design. In fact, there's been a growing trend in the agricultural world of farmers preferring older, mechanical machines for this very reason: less to break, less to depend on software, and more control in the hands of the operator. What's truly impressive is that after more than 4 decades, Big Bud 747 still runs and still works the fields. That's a testament not only to the engineering behind it but also to the vision of the farmers and builders who made it happen. It's not just a tractor, it's a legend on wheels. And here's a cool fact: Big Equipment Company recently announced a return to manufacturing new Big Bud tractors, this time focused on modular design, simplicity, and repairability. While these new models are not quite as massive as the original 747, they carry on the legacy of durability and power. So in a way, the spirit of Big Bud lives on, and who knows, maybe we'll see a modern version of the 747 in the near future. So there you have it, the story of Big Bud 16V747, the largest and most powerful farm tractor ever built. From its humble beginnings in Montana to its legendary status across the globe, Big Bud remains a symbol of American ingenuity, strength, and a love for big machines doing big work. If you ever get the chance to see it in person, don't miss it. Standing next to this titan of the fields is something you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, Road Warrior. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of tractors and farm giants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what machine you want us to feature next. Until then, keep those engines roaring.